Take a modern approach to displaying your plants with this DIY wooden wall planter. Here's what you'll need. First, measure and mark 4 12 by 12 inch sections onto the plywood. Using a circular saw, cut along the lines to create 4 equal sections of plywood. Paint or stain the plywood pieces for a more finished look. Choose a color or wood tone that complements your decor style. Once it's dried to the touch, rotate and flip the square over so that it resembles a diamond. Then nail your hanger across the top. Now flip it over to the front and position a hose clamp just below the center of the board. Pre-drill through the center of the clamp, then secure it to the plywood with a 1/2 inch wood screw. Finally, add your favorite potted plant. Hang the frames and enjoy. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.